Within the last 3 years, we won all major GT events in the world. All the experience gained in these races, we tried to put together and package it into our new contender, the facelift of the Audi R8 LMS. If you look into the stunning face of the new Audi R8 LMS, it's not just about the look. We combined it with the new Aero Platform. We made the car over various driving conditions far more stable and therefore easier to drive. When it came to cooling, we also looked into details. For example, the hot rear brakes have quite an influence on the actual tire temperature. By cooling the rear brakes better, we have a more stable rear axle. Focusing on customers' desire, priority one is always running costs. Running costs goes together with service intervals. So on the clutch, on the gearbox, we try to extend these even more by, for example, using different bearings on the gearbox. Now as the car is ready and soon in the hands of our customers, we can't wait to see chasing the competition around the racetracks of this world.